In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of budgeting, specifically designed for busy mums like me and many of you out there. I'll walk you through the steps to understand your income and expenses, create a realistic budget, implement saving strategies, and stay on track while adapting to life's unexpected events. Plus, I'll be sharing some bonus tips and tricks to help you save even more money. So if you're ready to take control of your family's finances and build a better financial future, grab a cup of tea, a pen and some paper, and let's get started. So part 1, understanding your income and expenses. It's crucial to know exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going out each month. First, let's focus on your income. This includes your salary, any side gigs, rental income, child benefits, or any other sources of regular income you might have. Write down each income source and the amount you receive every month. If you have a regular income, estimate the average monthly amount, or use the lowest expected monthly income to be on the safe side. Now it's time to tackle your expenses. Expenses can be divided into 2 main categories: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant each month, such as your mortgage, rent, or insurance payments. Variable expenses change monthly and include things like groceries, utilities, and entertainment costs. Write down all your fixed and variable expenses, along with their monthly amounts. To make this process easier and more accurate, you can use various tools and apps that help you track your expenses and create a budget. Some popular options are You Need a Budget, Money Dashboard, and Emma. Find the one that works best for you and your family's needs. Alternatively, you can follow the link below in this description and download my super simple budget spreadsheet. It will help you keep track of each of those regular payments and help you manage your money more effectively. Plus, it's designed for busy mums just like me and you. They'll give you a clear picture of where your money is going to each month. So part 2, creating a realistic budget. Now that we have a clear understanding of our income and expenses, it's time to create a realistic budget that works for you and your family. A well-designed budget helps you prioritize your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. Start by breaking down your expenses into different categories. Some common categories include housing, food, transportation, utilities, insurance, healthcare costs such as prescriptions, childcare, education, entertainment, and savings. You can customize these categories to fit your family's specific needs and preferences. I have a great video all about the categories that you might forget in your budget over here. Next, allocate a percentage of your income to each category. A popular rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 rule, which suggests allocating 50% of your income to essentials like housing, food, utilities, 30% to those wants or discretionary expenses like entertainment and clothing, and 20% to things like savings or debt repayment. However, you can adjust these percentages to better fit your family's circumstances and financial goals. Take a moment to consider your financial goals. These could be saving for a family holiday, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Make sure your budget reflects these goals by allocating money towards them each month. Keep in mind that you may need to adjust your budget over time as your financial priorities and goals evolve. Part 3, saving strategies for families. First, evaluate each budget category and identify areas where you can cut expenses. For example, consider meal planning and cooking at home more often to save money on food costs, or find ways to reduce your utility bills by conserving energy. Remember, small changes can add up to significant savings over time. It's never too early to teach your children about money and the value of saving. Encourage them to save a portion of their allowance or any money they receive as gifts. Involving them in family savings goals like saving for a special outing or holiday can be a fun and educational way to help them develop good money habits from a young age. An essential aspect of any solid financial plan is having an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Start by setting aside a small amount from each paycheck and build your emergency fund over time. Having this safety net in place will give you peace of mind and help prevent unplanned debt. Part 4. Staying on track and adapting. Creating a budget is just the first step. The real challenge lies in sticking to it and adapting as needed. Monitor your budget regularly, preferably on a weekly basis, to ensure that you're staying within the limits you've set for each category. If you find yourself consistently overspending in a certain area, it's time to reevaluate your budget and make adjustments. Remember, your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate life's changes, and let's face it, there's probably going to be a few of those. Unexpected expenses are bound to happen, whether it's a car repair or a sudden medical bill. When these events occur, it's essential to adapt your budget accordingly. This may mean cutting back on discretionary spending or adjusting your savings goals for the month. The key is to address these expenses without derailing your entire budget. It's important to acknowledge and celebrate your financial successes, whether it's reaching a savings goal or paying off debt. However, setbacks are also part of the process, so be kind to yourself and use them as learning opportunities to make better choices moving forwards. Bonus tips and tricks. Start by making the most of cashback apps, coupons, and reward programs to save on your everyday purchases. Popular cashback apps like Top Cashback and Quidco can help you earn money back on your online shopping, while supermarket loyalty programs offer rewards and discounts on groceries and household items. Every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. Meal planning is a fantastic way to save money on food expenses and reduce waste. Plan your meals for the week, create a shopping list, and stick to it when you're at the supermarket. This not only helps you avoid impulse purchases, but also ensures that you're buying only what you need. Additionally, consider buying store brand products and shopping during sales to further maximize your savings. Set aside dedicated time each week to review and update your budget. Remember, the key to success is consistency, so stay committed to your budget and make adjustments as needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content on personal finance and money mindset. I'd love to hear your budgeting tips and experiences, so be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.